Healthy juice. Please subscribe Madam English YouTube channel. Here are some tips for making a healthy juice. 1. Use a variety of vegetables and fruits to get a good balance of nutrients. Some good options include spinach, kale, cucumber, celery, apples, pears, berries, and citrus fruits. 2. Choose a base of leafy greens such as spinach or kale, as these are low in sugar and high in nutrients. 3. Add some low-sugar fruits such as berries or citrus fruits for flavor and sweetness. 4. Use cucumber or celery to add crunch and hydration. 5. Consider adding some healthy boosters such as ginger, turmeric, or chia seeds. 6. Use a high-quality juicer or blender to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from your ingredients. 7. Drink your juice right away or store it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Here is a simple recipe for a healthy juice. 1 cup of spinach. 1 cup of kale. A half of cucumber. A half of apple. A half of lemon, peeled. A half of inch piece of ginger. Wash and chop your ingredients as necessary. Then, process them in a juicer or blender until smooth. Serve immediately or store in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment Madam English YouTube channel.